Exciting adventure in the forest. Dear friends, let's we improve our English through the parrot story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Once upon a time, in a vibrant jungle, there lived a colorful parrot named Pinky. Pinky loved to chat with her fellow feathered friends and share stories about the exciting adventures in the forest. One sunny day, Pinky discovered a mysterious map tucked between the leaves. The map led to the legendary fruitful grove, a place rumored to have the most delicious fruits in the entire jungle. Excited Pinky decided to embark on a journey with her friends. Pinky friends, Bluey the toucan, and Reddy the macaw. As they soared through the sky, overcoming challenges like swirling winds and mischievous monkeys, they finally reached the fruitful grove. The trees were laden with juicy mangoes, ripe bananas, and succulent berries. The friends couldn't believe their luck. However, a wise old owl guarded the grove. To prove their worthiness, the friends had to solve riddles and share tales of kindness. With teamwork and clever thinking, they impressed the wise owl, who granted them access to the bountiful fruits. Pinky, Bluey, and Reddy returned to their jungle home, not only with tasty treats, but also with hearts full of friendship and the joy of overcoming challenges. From that day on, they continued their colorful conversations, sharing the tale of their adventurous journey with the other animals in the lively jungle. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.